the track is actually falling apart and it's running down. So if you look around the edges here, I kind of pick up some of the powders right here. You can see it, I mean, that's pretty thick, right? So our track literally is coming apart. If you look on the track itself, you will see some of the old paint jobs we've done are actually showing through.
Slow down before the hurdle, just open up your stride and sprint through it. Oh, this is really starting to wear down. It's really hard. It's almost like just getting down to the bare asphalt.
My big thing, you know, for the community is, you know, these kids, it's not about me, it's not about my other coaches, it's about what these kids deserve. And these kids, they put their time in, day out, and I just want the best for them. You're not hurting me, you're hurting the kids when we're not taking care of this. That's kind of where I look at it.